Hey guys, today we're going to be making an artist's easel, a painting easel. There's a lot of people getting into painting these days, so if you are one of those people and we're looking for an option on how to make your own easel instead of buy one, then this might be just for you. Give it a try. Some of the things that you're going to need. So you're going to need a Dremel because we have to customize these hooks. These are actually wall hangers to go into drywall to hang pictures and things like that. But we're going to be hanging canvas, which has a wood frame inside on the back side, and we need to customize this little piece right here to be a spike. So you're going to need a Dremel with the 100 grit sandpaper disc on there, or tube, or whatever they call that, and then I carved this down to make a spike. So you'll need to make 4 of those, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Here's my silly sketch, as I've did once before with the understairs closet. That's what that looks like. This is the base, this is the face of it, and this is kind of the general idea of what I was going to do with the attachment points. You're also going to need these rubber bumpers for feet so you don't hurt your floor if you're going to be going onto a hard floors, like hardwood floors like I am. And then some 2.5 inch long carriage bolts with fly nuts and some nice big fat washers to go onto the back side. You're also going to need a chop saw and a plunge router because we're going to be routing a groove all the way down the center of this long board. I'll put the measurements up for the boards on the screen here, and let's get going. One last thing, I won't be doing a lot of talking in this video. This will be mostly just video of me working, and I'll put notes up on the screen as we go. It's about 100 degrees outside, and I don't have AC in my garage, so I'm going to be running a fan. It's too loud to talk over the fan. If you have any questions, put it in at the bottom in the comments, and I'll totally try to get back to you and answer those. Okay, so this is how you mount the canvas. You use these hooks that are on the front that we put on. And set the canvas right on top of these hooks. Press it down. Make sure this is nice and tight. And Luke, if you'll come down here, then you'll loosen this bottom one and slide it up. And let the hooks. Here, Luke, can you look in that way? See, the hooks are grabbing the canvas right there. And you can pull down on the canvas, or on that bottom piece. As you pull down, you tighten that, and now, come to the front, Luke. It's nice and sturdy. It doesn't want to move. There we go. No, I didn't make this very straight, but you get the idea. So there you go. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. This is how I made the easel for my son. All that's left is to stain it, and I'll probably put some pictures up on my Instagram page. If you like this little tutorial, give it a like and a subscribe at the bottom. That'd be great. Share it with your friends, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.